Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 6T against the Google Pixel 3 XL. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM on the OnePlus 6T and 4GB of RAM on the Google Pixel 3 XL. They are both running a clean version of Android. So how much difference will the 2GB of RAM make? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OnePlus 6T. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU with the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Google Pixel 3 XL. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's also on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the same Snapdragon 845 CPU along with the Adreno 630 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T wins by 6 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the OnePlus 6T wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T won by 6 points. However, in round 2, the OnePlus 6T won by only 1 point. I expected the OnePlus 6T to do a little bit better in the RAM management due to the 2GB of extra RAM, but that wasn't the case. Now the price difference between these two phones is £370, so you're only really paying for the camera and software experience on the Pixel 3 XL. I want to give a shout out to That Tech though for letting me borrow his Google Pixel 3 XL, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.